Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still believe that this is an uptrend that is not over. I still think it's going to end up looking something like that, probably going all the way up to about the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. I think it's going to go up and take out these highs and make a nice looking uptrend like that. So let's head right down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this one is still an uptrend for like a wave 1. I think this is an ABC of wave 2, and I still believe that this right here is all part of a big wave 3, which I still believe, like I showed on the monthly, is going to go up and finish off the wave 3, 4, and eventually make a wave 5. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it does kind of resemble an ABC, and it looks like a 1, 2, 3, which makes me think that it's going to go up and make a 4, and then later on go down for a 5, and then eventually end up continuing the uptrend and making that big weekly and monthly pattern that I was just showing on the higher time frames. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is definitely starting to resemble that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of pretty much every trend if you're on the correct time frame. And we do have CPI news coming out today, so if this does go up, if it does break structure, I think that's going to be the beginning of a pretty big move to the upside, and I would definitely, at that point, start looking for longs and an uptrend. So let's take it right down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, it still kind of looks like an ABC also. I mean, I could picture this being a wave A, and I could picture this being a 1, 2, 3 pattern for like a wave B, and then today's CPI news actually causing this to go up and make a wave C over the next week or so. Because after today's CPI news on the September 20th, we have the federal funds rate, which is next week. So, I mean, I think the most likely thing is that today's news is going to cause this to go up, and then next week when we have that federal funds rate, that's going to cause this to end the correction and continue back down. So I will be live streaming for today's CPI news, so make sure you stop in for that, because we are definitely going to have to reevaluate these things prior to the news. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.